Hi stamping friends, it's Marilyn here with Stamping Creations with Marilyn. Just want to share a tip with you today as I'm making kits for this card that I'm going to do next week in a Zoom class online. And as I'm busy getting the layers ready and everything, I thought, you know what, this would be a really good tip to share with my friends, my stamping friends. So as you can see, I usually do all the pieces and get them ready to go in the kits. But as I'm doing this, I'm just going to bring in my Big Shot because for me, on this particular die, I am doing the cutting, keeping the plate for top only. You've probably seen the video put out by another demonstrator, and I'm sorry I can't remember her name, but it was use the same plate on the bottom, always use a plain, not cut on one for the top, and it works much better, and it really does. So I'll try not to shake too bad for this. So I go through and back, and then I found that it was not cutting through the black or the silver totally when I do it just the once. I take it off like that and put it through again at a different angle, just leaving the cutout piece on the back, and it seemed to work so much better. So I thought, you know what, it's time to share. So when you turn it over, you can see all the detail that it is cut out. So then I am using my former tool, which you can no longer get, but you can get an attachment to go with your take your pick tool that does the same thing. And applying quite a strong pressure, probably shaking the whole camera, on the die and the cardstock, and it comes out great. So that's my tip for today. Just thought I'd share. You can find this on my Stampin' Up website to purchase this particular bundle. It is the Parisian bundle, and I will be posting this card after I have got the kits made and we do the class next week. So thanks for watching. Bye now.